Accounting equation and Excel. Write checks or pay cash for expenses and prepaid assets. Get ready and some coffee because we're about to learn the accounting foundation, the accounting equation, using Excel. Here we are in Excel. If you don't have access to this workbook, that's okay because we basically built this from a blank worksheet, but started in a prior presentation. So if you want to build this entire worksheet from a blank sheet, you may want to begin back there or just construct your own worksheet as we go, or possibly just follow along with good old paper and pencil. If you do have access to this workbook, though, 3 tabs down below. Example, practice, blank. Example, in essence, answer key. The practice tab having pre-formatted cells so you could practice the practice problem with less Excel formatting. The blank tab, the one we will be working on, is where we started with a blank worksheet but are basically working within a template now. However, we will be adding to the template as needed as we go. Let's go to the example tab to get an idea of what we will be doing. Quick recap of what we have done thus far. We're thinking about the accounting equation, using it as our accounting system, basically our trial balance from which we will construct our financial statement reports, that being the balance sheet, the income statement. We started off pulling in our beginning balances, imagining we had a prior accounting system with some prior balances within it, then gave some normal transactions for a startup business, the need for cash to buy the startup necessities, inventory, property, plant, and equipment, that cash typically coming from either the owner or from a loan. Once the cash is in the bank account of the business, we can then use it and record transactions for the purchase of inventory and property, plant, and equipment, those investments necessary to help us to then generate revenue. Then we went and started doing the business of selling our inventory, in our case, guitars, as well as service items, which we can